Let me show you a quick and fun DIY with these glass bottles. This glass bottle has texture on it. So let's go ahead. Use some acrylic colors. Take some sponge dabber. And now paint the bottle white with the help of the dabber. And now put a layer of color at the bottom. I'm choosing pastel colors. Then a layer of green and then yellow. Use a Sharpie pen to draw lines on the bottle like this. And here it is, it's ready. You may add some flowers, dry flower arrangement to it and add it to your table for a home decor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.